Looking to get Galatea free points instantly without spending a dime? You're in the right place. There's a secret online method to get Galatea points added to your account using just your in-game user ID, your device type, and the number of points you wish to receive. This tool, often shared through hidden Galatea free points links, uses a unique algorithm to credit your account with points without needing any premium subscription. After entering your details, the tool will ask for a quick verification. This isn't a scammy survey. All it takes is downloading a popular game and playing it until you reach level 9. This simple verification step confirms you're a real user, and once you're done, the Galatea points are instantly deposited into your account. Many users call this method a Galatea premium glitch because it bypasses usual payment methods. It's not a cheat per se, but it works just as effectively as any known Galatea cheats. So if you're tired of waiting to unlock your favorite premium stories, give this a shot. It's fast, simple, and works like a charm. No more worrying about point limits. Use this method and enjoy unlimited reading without breaking the bank.